Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. I'm Miss Wolf, and in this channel you can make money online. If you like videos like this, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell button to notify about my new videos. Okay, let's go for these new videos and learn how we can make money online, even $10 a day. Okay, the site that I want to introduce you is aticlicks.net. This is really good site that you can earn money online by just clicking. You don't need to invest money, you don't need to do some professional works. It's really simple. You can do it easily at home. As you can see, it has so many ways to pay you, like as Payeer, Perfect Money, Faucet Pay. And it's really simple and easy, and you just by watching some advertise or do so many survey, you can earn money online. As you can see here, it has so many way to earning money, like survey, offer walls, even by affiliate program. You can make money online. And as you see here, it's a really good site and it has so many paid. Here you can see that how much payment it had, and total member or a total ads that it had in this site, or total offers. And you can trust on this site. And if you comes down at here, proof of payments, you can see that the payment that it had for today. Here is the username and the method that it paid, the amount that it paid, and total paid that this user had. You can see here. And as you see, it's not important that in which country you are, and it has so many countries that it had payments, and you can easily get your money in your wallet. As you see here, we have register button. You can click on that. You can do so many simple filling here, like your full name, username, your email address, and you have to create a password for that. You have to input your birth year and birthplace. And after that, just click on I'm not a robot. And here click on this button that shows that you are agree to the aticlicks rule. And then click on register button, and you can go to in your account. And here I do my register before I log into my account. Now you can see my dashboard and you can start your working, and I will show you how you can earn money really simple. First of all, here you have affiliate banners here, and you can share your link with your family, your friends, your co-workers, and when they sign up by your link, you can get your money again. And here are so many banners that you can use in your site as a advertisement, and by that you can earn money too. Another way that you can earn money, here you can click on that, and you have a daily survey. And when you click on that, this is the site that you can see. Click on get started, and here you should write your email that you had registered by that. And after that, click on next, click on your gender and your postal code. And by continuing these questions, it has 5 questions left. When you complete them, you will see this page. In this page, you can see so many survey that has here, and you can see the rating. And for example, this one had a good rating. It has 5 star, and you can earn about 28 cents. And just it takes 14 minutes. Here is some question, and after answering that question, you can do this survey. Another way that is really simple and quick is offer wall. In this offer wall, you can see the variety of so many tasks you can do, even by your mobile or desktop, or against you can do the survey. And here you can see them. They are really good and they are really simple, and you can earn money really easily. The other way that you can earn money in this site is in the daily offer, and you can see that here there are so many ways you can earn money, like videos, apps, one-click survey. You can do it by iPad, iPhone, Android. It doesn't take matter, and you can see how you can do them. The best way that you can earn money is the first tab, view advertisement. Here you can see this advertisement and earn money. For example, it takes about 19 minutes and you can earn about 91 cents. They are surveyed too, and here are so many daily ads that by clicking on these ads you can earn money, and it just takes 7 seconds. For example, this one, it just need to watch this advertisement just about 7 seconds, and here you can see that when it's finished, and as it asks you a simple question. For example, click the upside down picture. When you are at a page, just roll the page down and up because it shows that you are not a robot. And for this one, it said click the upside down picture that is here. And when you do that, it said that you have been credited and you will receive that in your account. As you can see here, it's finished. You can do all these tasks, and it has so many tasks in a day, and you can easily earn money by this site. And in this referrals button, you can see that how many referrals you had and how much did you earn from the referral link that you had. And you can choose your input method in the setting part, and then your personal setting. Here you can see the email address that you entered before, and in this part, payment method, you can select your payment method, your Perfect Money, Payeer, Faucet Pay, AirTM, any of them that you want. Or if you want to update your password, you can do it here. That's really easy and it will pay you immediately, and you can trust on this site. I hope that you enjoy this site and earn money by clicking on this site. And if you like this video, please like it and leave a comment on the below. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bells to notify about my new videos. Have a good day and see you in my next video. Bye.